What is good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel here at The Dad Life. Yes guys, finally a video from The Dad Life. Guys, I know it's been a very long time since I posted a video. It's been about like 2 months, and you guys are probably wondering, like, where have I been? Why did I stop doing YouTube? I'll probably make a separate video talking about that, maybe in a vlog or something like that, because I don't want to get too personal in this video. Because the main reason why we are making this video, because I do have a semi, I guess, unboxing video of this sneaker. You guys probably seen the title by now. I already opened them because I actually got this yesterday. Other than that, I hope everyone is having a blessed day, guys. I hope everyone is healthy. Like I said, guys, let's go ahead and get straight into this unboxing. So as you guys can see from the title, I did cop the Nike Dunk Low Syracuses. I got this off the GOAT app. If you guys were wondering, I did pay resale price. This released back in, I believe, March 14th. They came out with 2 colorways, which is the one I have, as well as the Kentucky colorway, which I did cop from the GOAT app. Supposed to be coming in like in a couple days, so I am waiting on that as well. But since I have this, I might as well give you guys this unboxing. Nothing special. You guys already know this is not a Nike Dunk SB. This is a Dunk Low, so that's why it comes in a normal Nike box. So getting into the shoe, man, this is a super clean shoe. I really like how simple it is. It's a orange and white shoe. I know orange doesn't really go with a lot of outfits that I have. I feel like I could pull it off later once I have the right outfit and clothes. Just a really simple shoe, and that's the reason why I copped. $100 retail price is not bad. I mean, versus like a $200 shoe. The quality of the sneaker is not too bad. It's just that normal synthetic tumbled, not too tumbled on the leather, but pretty much the same leather all around the sneaker. Not much to say about the shoe because it's just a simple white and orange shoe. It does come with extra laces. It comes with the extra white laces. It's kind of weird how they put Nike SB on the bag because these are not a Nike SB. A Nike SB normally has a thicker tongue on the shoe, but like I said, guys, that doesn't really matter. It just comes with the orange laces and the white laces. Personally, I think the white laces are gonna look a little bit more cleaner. When it comes to the sneakers sizing wise, I did go true to size. I really like the fit of it. I don't think I probably won't ever go half a size up because I feel like these run kind of long. If you want to cop yourself a pair of these, make sure you guys go true to size. And when it comes to resale price, in my opinion, it's kind of hard to predict. Like I said, guys, there's a lot going on around the world, so it is affecting the market when it comes to sneakers and other things. Right now, resale price is not too bad. It's about $250, $240 depending on your size. In my opinion, I definitely would cop now because I feel like later down the road when summer comes and hopefully when this whole virus dies down, resale price will definitely go back up. That's just in my opinion. But like I said, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up on this video. If you guys miss my channel and just miss my vibe of my channel and videos in general, make sure you guys smash that like button. Leave a comment down below. If you guys been sticking with me since day one, I appreciate you guys just waiting on my videos. I know a lot of you guys have been DMing me where's my videos to get back on the grind. Like I said, hopefully this is the start. If I sound kind of rusty in this video, I really apologize. It's been a very long time that I haven't been talking to a camera, so like I said, guys, just bear with me in these next couple weeks. Hope you guys stay healthy, wash your hands, stay clean, stay hydrated, and stay positive, guys. Like I said, I hope everyone has a blessed week. Stay tuned for the next video. This is The Dad Life, signing in, signing out. Peace.